Okay, a little Desertx heated grip install. So they say to take the tank off, but you can do it without it. I just took this fairing off here, and then the plug is right down that one right there, but it's in the stock position. It's up here, tucked in there. It's a gray end, looks like this. And so it's got just one of the little rubber clamps, cable tie connectors that connected there. If you take that off, you can wiggle that plug down, access it, and unplug. And that's for the electronic throttle. And then your heated grip from the factory, it's labeled right here. And you can just, that's plug and play. And the left side is easier. Grab this light. The left side, you just pull the handguard off, pull the grip, slide the grip off, and slide the new one on. There's two little screws that Ducati gives you. One right there and one on the bottom that you just screw into the holes that are already there. And then on this side, you route your cable down, and right down here, right down there, is right where the zip tie is. From the factory, it's zip tied, and that's where the factory connection for the left heated grip is. You just undo that zip tie and pull the connector out. And so when I rerouted mine, I just stuck it back in the same place with the zip tie connected. So pretty easy install if you just finagle with it. And then you don't have to take off the entire tank and everything like they call for. I have the Ducati crash bars. I took off the left side and the right side and the right fairing just to get some more hand room in there. But anyway, only other thing, kind of specialty thing you need is down here on the factory grips, you got a T25 security bolt, this one right here. So you got to make sure a normal T25 won't fit in there because it's solid. You have to get that one. But other than that, that is how to install the factory heated grips on a 2023 Ducati Desertx.